हरिः ओं नमः सर्वेभ्यः। अद्य भाषाप्रवेशप्रथमभागस्य 38तमी कक्षार्थं भवतां सर्वेषां स्वागतम्. So in this lesson we are going to start with Bhavishyat Kala Prayogas. So we already have completed three lakaras, that is Lat, Lot and Lang. Lat is for Vartamana Kala and Lot is for Agnya and Prarthana, like Gachatu, Patatu, Vadatu. And similarly, Lang is for Bhutakala, that is for Agachat, Agacham, Apatat, and all these forms. We have seen, and similarly, there are another Lakara is Lrit Lakara, that is for Bhavishyat Kala. So, as usual, when we say the Lakara, we generally will have 9 forms in the combination of Purusha and the Vachanam. Like even if we take Lat Lakara, there are 9 forms like Gachati, Gachataha, Gachanti, and so on. And similarly, if you take Lang Lakara, you will again have 9 forms like Agachat, Agachatam, Agachan, and so on. And similarly for Lot Lakara, we will again have Gachatu, Gachatam, Gachantu, and so on. Similarly for even Lrit Lakara, we have 9 forms. So let us start seeing them. So basically it's in the combination of Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam with Prathama Purusha and Madhyama Purusha and Uttama Purusha. The forms are like this. So Vadishyati is as usual we take the Vad Dhatu and we give that, we'll see that Bhavishyat Kala Lrit Lakara forms of that Vad Dhatu. So Vadishyati, Vadishyataha, Vadishyanti, Vadishyasi, Vadishyatha, Vadishyatha, Vadishyami, Vadishyavaha, Vadishyamaha. So if you just see this, this is almost equivalent to Lat Lakara forms. Vadati, Vadataha, Vadanti, Vadasi, Vadataha, Vadatha, Vadami, Vadavaha, Vadamaha. Of course, the endings are actually the same. Only thing is, before the ending, there's still some Ishya is actually attached in the middle. So that's the only difference actually. Vadishyati, Vadishyataha, Vadishyanti, Vadishyasi, Vadishyatha, Vadishyatha, Vadishyami, Vadishyavaha, Vadishyamaha. So if you are able to get any one form, remaining all forms are actually same as the Lat Lakara. And of course the usage, it is again the same actually. Wherever you use the Lat Lakara, the same way you can also use Lrit Lakara forms as well. But only the forms are different, but based on the context, wherever you want to express the future tense meaning, you can actually use these Lrit Lakara forms. For example, Balakaha Patati in Lat Lakara, boy reads, and Balakaha Patishyati, boy will read or boy will study. Okay, that is the same wherever you use or whatever the rules applicable for the Lat Lakara, all of them are actually applicable for even Lrit Lakara as well. So example, Balakaha Vadishyati, boy will say, and Balakau Vadishyataha, 2 boys will say, and Balakaha Vadishyanti, many boys will say. And Tvam Vadishyasi, you will say, and Yuvam Vadishyataha, you both will say, and Yuyam Vadishyatha, you all will say. And similarly for Uttama Purusha, Aham Vadishyami, I will say, Avam Vadishyavaha, we both will say, and Vayam Vadishyamaha, we all will say. Hope you are able to relate to the actual meanings. So this is the same thing. And similarly, if you see the, of course, as usual, if you take any Lakara forms, we will have Klishta Rupams, like the difficult forms, like for Karoti, in Lat Lakara, the forms are little different. Karoti, Kurutaha, Kuruvanti. And similarly for Lang Lakara, for Karoti, it is again Akarot, Akurutam, Akuruvan. And similarly for Lot Lakara, Karotu, Kurutam, Kuruvantu. Right? It's a little different, but when it comes to those special forms in Lrit Lakara, all we need to know is the first form, like Prathama Purusha Ekavachana form, if you are able to get. Of course, the same base will actually repeat for all the forms, only the suffix will change. Again, the suffix is similar to Lat Lakara. So for all the special verbs, all we need to know is the first form. If you are able to know, for Karoti, the first form is Karishyati. Okay, if you know the karishyati form, the remaining all 9 forms are actually easy. So karishyati, karishyataha, karishyanti, karishyasi, karishyataha, karishyatha, karishyami, karishyavaha, karishyamaha. For example, if you take in lat lakara, we have a problem of in the madhyama purusha ekavachanam, we say sometimes vadasi with the C and karoshi with the she. Okay, that C, she for problems won't occur here. And similarly, the ekavachana, dvivachana forms are completely different, like a karoti, karoti, kurutaha. So both are actually completely different. But those problems will not happen for lit lakara. All you need to know is just the first form. If you know, is really very easiest way to use it actually. And similarly, for example, pibati, if you take pibati, if you see, the pibati is not a special verb or special form or difficult form for other lakaras like pibati, pibati, pibataha, pibanti in lat lakara, and pibatu, pibatam, pibantu is in lot lakara, and apibat, apibatam, apiban is in lang lakara. Okay, but when it comes to this lit lakara, it is pasyati. That is little different. Okay, pasyati. That's again it's a kind of a special verb form here. So pasyati, pasyataha, pasyanti, pasyasi, pasyatha, pasyatha, pasyami, pasyavaha, pasyamaha. Pasyati means will drink. So balakaha dugdham pasyati. Boy will drink the milk. Okay, that way. So basically, all we need to know is the special verbs. Though we don't see certain verbs as a special verbs in other lakaras, but still we see it here like special forms. Like example, pasyati. And similarly, whatever the special forms you see, you just need to remember only the prathama purusha ekavachana form, and remaining all are actually derivable based on lat lakara forms. So that's the takeaway from this lesson, and it's very simple lesson. So let us, what we do is, okay, it is a pasyati. It is not pashyati. It is pasyati. That's why it's a special form. Okay, then now let us see some standard forms actually. So this, as usual, we have the kriyapada list. Gacchati, gamishyati, agacchati, agamishyati. Again, gacchati is again will have a special form in future like gamishyati. And the reason is, I'll tell you very shortcut here. Most of the other lakaras, especially the lat, lot and lang lakaras, they actually, the forms would actually have different form from the dhatu. For example, pibati, if you take, the actual dhatu is pa. Pa is the actual dhatu, but when we use it in a lat and lot and lang, we actually transform that to piba. So pibati or pibatu or apibat. Okay, but when it comes to lit lakara, the forms would mostly align, it's almost 99% would align with the actual root of the dhatu. I mean actual root of that verb. For example, pibati, the actual dhatu is pa. Then of course the lit lakara form is pasyati. Okay, and similarly, gacchati, gacchatu, agacchati, if we take, gaccha is the base form, but actual dhatu for this is gam. Okay, so the lit lakara form will be gamishyati, gamishyataha, gamisyanti, gamishyasi, gamishyatha, gamishyatha, gamishyami, gamishyavaha, gamishyamaha. So basically, for any verb, if you are able to understand or get the actual dhatu, it would be almost easy for you to guess the lit lakara form. For example, tishtati, if you take, the dhatu is stha. Okay, stha is the dhatu. And of course, definitely it is not tishtishyati, it will not be coming like that, but instead it will be sthasyati. Sthasyati, sthasyataha, sthasyanti, and so on. And similarly, if you take another dhatu like dadati, if you take, the actual dhatu for dadati is da. Okay, da is the dhatu. Again, the forms are like dasyati, dasyataha, dasyanti, dasyasi, dasyatha, dasyatha, dasyami, dasyavaha, dasyamaha. Okay, so basically all we need to know is if you are able to get hands-on with the original verb root, the dhatu, then it is easy to form or easy to correlate with the lit lakara forms. So let's see that actually. For gacchati, the dhatu is gam, so it is gamishyati, gamishyataha, gamisyanti, so on and so on. And agacchati is again a prefixed with the gum. and it will be agamishyati. And patati, pat is the dhatu, so it is patishyati. And patati, the pat is the dhatu, patishyati. And kridati, krid is the dhatu, kridishyati. Vadati, vad is the dhatu, vadishyati. Pibati, pa is the dhatu, and pasyati. Likhati, lik is the dhatu, it's a lekishyati. And nayati, ni is the dhatu, nishyati. And pashyati, drish is the dhatu, it's drakshyati. And prichati, pracha is the dhatu, it's a prakshyati. And bhavati, bhu is the dhatu, it's bhavishyati. And milati, mil is the dhatu, melishyati. And tyajati, tej is the dhatu, it's a takshyati. Khadati, khad is the dhatu, khadishyati. Janati, nya is the dhatu, so it is nyasyati. Karoti, kr is the dhatu, it's a karishyati. And shrunoti, shru is the dhatu, it's a shroshyati. And similarly, dadati, da is the dhatu, dasyati. Preshayati, presha is the dhatu, it's a preshayishyati. And prakshalayati, prakshala is the dhatu, prakshalayishyati. And uttishtati, again ut plus sta dhatu, so it is utthasyati. And upavishyati, upa plus visha, so it becomes upavekshyati. And sthapayati, sthapaya is the dhatu, so it's sthapayishyati. And smarati, smru is the dhatu, smarishyati. And suchayati, suchaya is the dhatu, it's suchayishyati. And ichati, it is ish is the dhatu, so it is eshishyati. And svikaroti, svi plus kru, so it is a svikarishyati. And grihnati, again grah is the dhatu, it's a grahishyati. And roditi, rud is the dhatu, it is rodishyati. And shaknoti, shak is the dhatu, it's a shakshyati. And anayati, a plus ni is the dhatu, so it is aneshyati. And krinati, kri is the dhatu, it is kreshyati. And nindati, nind is the dhatu, it is nindishyati. And hahvayati, a plus hua is the dhatu, a plus hu is the dhatu, it is actually, so it is hahvasyati is the form. Okay, so here one more thing is certain things you might see there's a ikara will come like bhavishyati, melishyati, and khadishyati, and so on. For certain things you will not see that actually pasyati, neshyati, drakshyati, you will not see that ikara. Similarly, if certain things the dhatu is lik, it becomes lekishyati. So the dhatu is ni, it becomes neshyati. So this you just need to repeat the forms multiple times to get familiar with these patterns. But all you need to know is if you are able to remember the first form, the Prathama Purusha Ekavachana, then it is easier for you. Okay, there's a question. Can you give the list of dhatus? Yeah, I think list of dhatus or the list of this word. Okay, this word, this sheet I will attach it to the course page. But list of dhatus, if you say there are around 2000 dhatus, but I would suggest don't go with the dhatu memorization and things like that. It would really complicate your learning. Instead, I would suggest you better learn the dhatus as in when you come across new kriya padams. And whenever you see some new kriya padams, try to get the different forms, the forms of different lakaras of the same kriya padam and dhatu. That's the best way to go about it. Yeah, this list will be shared in that course page as usual. Okay, so now let's have a very short abhyasa on this. You can take any dhatu from this, any kriya padam from this list, and you can try framing, you can try telling all 9 forms of that. Plus, you can give 3 sentences in for any purusha, like Prathama Purusha or Uttama Purusha or Madhyama Purusha. For example, lekishyati, lekishyati, lekishyataha, lekishyanti, lekishyasi, lekishyataha, lekishyatha, lekishyami, lekishyavaha, lekishyamaha. And maybe I can say chatraha lekishyati, chatrau lekishyataha, chatraha lekishyanti. So that way you can try to attempt, but try to avoid all the standard noun forms like Ramaha, Balakaha, Chatraha, and so on. Let's try to bring in some different forms. Let's start with the Q&A.
Pruchati, युवकः प्रक्ष्यति, युवकौ प्रक्ष्यतः, युवकाः प्रक्ष्यन्ति.
So here it is not prakshati, it is prakshyati. There is a yakara there.
Prakshati.
Prakshyati. Yeah, you should, because yakara is a full yakara, so you should give enough time to pronounce that. Okay. 9 forms of the prakshyati.
Prakshyati, prakshyatah, praksyanti. Prakshasi, prakshyatah, prakshyatha. Prakshyami, prakshyavah, prakshyamah.
पाधातु सेवति, पास्यति, पास्यतः, पास्यन्ति, पास्यसि, पास्यतः, पास्यथ, पास्यामि, पास्यावः, पास्यामः. अहं पास्यामि, आवां पास्यामः, आवां पास्यावः, वयं पास्यामः.
उत्तमम्.
Hari Om. I'll take Shru Dhatu. Shroshyati, Shroshyatah, Shrosyanti, Shrosyasi, Shroshyatah, Shrosyatha, Shroshyami, Shrosyavah, Shrosyamah. Aham Geetam Shwah Shroshyami, Avam Geetam Shwah Shrosyavah, Shwah Vayam Geetam Shrosyamah.
Agam, come, agamishyati. Agamishyati, agamishyatah, agamisyanti, agamishyati, agamishyatah, agamishyatha, agamishyami, agamishyavah, agamishyamah. Sorry, agamishyami, agamishyavah, agamishyamah. Atiti, shwaha, atitihi, agamishyati. स्वः अतितौ आगमिष्यतः, स्वः अतितयः आगमिष्यन्ति.
Okay, what is the Dvivachana form of atiti?
Atiti, forgot. Atitihi, it's not atitau.
Harihi, hari, harayah.
Oh, atitihi, atiti, atitayah. Samhitam.
Hari Om Mahodaya. I'll take Milati. Melishyati, Melishyatah, Melishyanti, Melishasi, Melishyatha, Melishyatha, Melishyami, Melishyavah, Melishyamah. Aham Shwah Melishyami. Aham Avam Shwah Melishyavah, Vayam Shwah Melishyamah. We will meet tomorrow.
Kadishyati, Kadishyatah, Kadishyanti, Kadishyasi, Kadishyatah, Kadishyata, Kadishyami, Kadishyavah, Kadishyamah. Balakah Shwah Kadishyati, Balakau Shwah Kadishyatah, Balakah Shwah Kadishyanti.
Balakaah Shwah Kadishyanti.
Balakaah Shwah Kadishyanti. From Shwah Kadishyati, Yuam Shwah Kadishyatah, Yuyam Shwah Kadishyatha, Aham Shwah Kadishyami, Avam Shwah Kadishyavah, Vayam Shwah Kadishyamah.
Uttamam.
Hari Om sir, I will take Pat Dhatu.
Hari Om. Sure.
So, Patishyati, Patishyatah, Patishyanti, Madhyam Purush, Patishyasi, Patishyatha, Uttam Purush, पतिष्यामि
एकनिमिषं पतिष्यसि पतिष्यतः पतिष्यथ
ओके सर पतिष्यसि पतिष्यथः पतिष्यथ उत्तम पुरुष पतिष्यामि पतिष्यावः and पतिष्यामः
उत्तमम्
is it शिशु पतिष्यति शिशु पश्यत्यः and शिशवः पश्यन्ति.
So sishu, the forms are like sishuhu, sishu, sishavaha. Sishuhu patishyati, sishu patishyataha, sishavaha patishyanti.
Okay sir. And madhyam purush will be
Right, fine. Any one purusha should be okay. Yeah, thank you.
Okay sir, thank you.
Yeah.
नमो नमः. I'll take क्रू धातु. करिष्यति, करिष्यतः, करिष्यन्ति, करिष्यसि, करिष्यतः, करिष्यथ, करिष्यामि, करिष्यावः, करिष्यामः. भवान् श्वः कार्यं करिष्यति, भवन्तौ श्वः कार्यं करिष्यतः, भवन्तः श्वः कार्यं करिष्यन्ति.
उत्तमम्.
हरि ओम नमो नमः.
नमः.
धावति धावत् धातु धाविष्यति धाविष्यतः धाविष्यन्ति धाविष्यसि धाविष्यतः तः धाविष्यत धाविष्यामि धाविष्यावः धाविष्यामः. मृगः धाविष्यसि धाविष्यसि धाविष्यति मृगौ धाविष्यतः मृगाः धाविष्यन्ति. अहं परश्वः धाविष्यसि
अहं परश्वः धाविष्यामि.
सारी त्वं परश्वः धाविष्यसि युवां परश्वः धाविष्यतः यूयं परश्वः धाविष्यत. अहं परश्वः.
Any one purusha should be okay. Yeah, thank you.
Hari Om. I will take
Smarati.
Smarati. Smarishyati, smarishyatah, smarishyanti, smarisyasi, smarishyatah, smarishyata, smarishyami, smarishyavah, smarishyamah. Aham mantram smarishyami. Vayam mantram smarishyavah. Avam mantram स्मरिष्यामः.
आवां मन्त्रं स्मरिष्यावः वयं मन्त्रं स्मरिष्यामः.
I take क्रीडिष्यति क्रीडिष्यति क्रीडिष्यतः क्रीडिष्यन्ति क्रीडिष्यसि क्रीडिष्यतः क्रीडिष्यत क्रीडिष्यामि क्रीडिष्यावः क्रीडिष्यामः. बालकः क्रीडिष्यति बालकौ क्रीडिष्यतः बालके क्रीडिष्यन्ति.
बालकाः क्रीडिष्यन्ति.
बालकाः क्रीडिष्यन्ति. त्वं क्रीडिष्यसि.
Purusha should be enough. Yeah. Yes, thank you.
दृश् धातु. द्रक्ष्यति द्रक्ष्यत द्रक्ष्यतः द्रक्ष्यन्ति द्रक्ष्यसि द्रक्ष्यतः द्रक्ष्यत द्रक्ष्यामि द्रक्ष्यावः द्रक्ष्यामः. मित्रं चलनचित्रं द्रक्ष्यति मिते चलनचित्रं द्रक्ष्यतः मित्राणि चलनचित्रं द्रक्ष्यन्ति.
उत्तमम्.
I will take धातु. दास्यति दास्यतः दास्यन्ति दास्यसि दास्यतः दास्यथ दास्यामि दास्यावः दास्यामः. सः धनं दास्यति तौ धनं दास्यतः ते धनं दास्यन्ति.
उत्तमम्. Yeah, that's all about the Q&A. It's a good attempt, but now the exercise for this section would be as usual. Pick any two verbs in future tense and provide sample sentences for all the forms, like for all vachanas and purusha. That is 9. So there will have 9 sentences for each verb. That way you can take any two verbs and give 9 sentences in future tense along with the English meanings. So this would be the abhyasa in the forum. I think we are yet to post the yesterday's class abhyasa on the forum and today's as well. I will do it in sometime sooner. So I think with that we will end the today's session, and in the next session, if possible, you please go over the book exercises that is on 26th chapter in our book, that is on Bhavishyat Kala. Just try going through this lesson once before the next session. So in the next session, as usual, we'll go over this 26th lesson and we'll try to complete this. So the Sankshepa of today is we have seen and completed the Dvitiya Bhakti, especially the 25th chapter, that is on Gitopadesha Prasangaha. We have completed the story and the abhyasas on that Vibhakti as well as on the story we have completed. And the next important chapter we have started is Bhavishyat Kala, that is on Rit Lakara. As usual, any Lakara will have 9 forms. Here also, the Rit Lakara will also have 9 forms. We have seen that. All we need to remember is the first form, if you are able to get. Remaining all the forms we can derive, and they are actually similar to Lat Lakara forms. And the second thing is certain verbs which you see, they are not special verbs in other Lakaras like Lat, Lot, Lang, like Pibati. They still will have some different forms in the Rit Lakara, that is like a Pasyati. Okay, all we need to know is first form. If you know, you can derive other forms. And similarly, I think it's always good to practice and go with the table to start with. And whenever you come across new Kriya Padams, try to get all 4 forms, especially in all the Lakaras. If you learn any Karoti as a Kriya Padam, the Karoti is a Lat Lakara form, and try to learn 9 forms of the Karoti. Similarly, the same 9 forms in all other Lakaras like Lat, Lot, Lang and Rit. And these are the only 4 Lakaras are there in our syllabus. And of course, we'll be learning few other Lakaras as well in our future classes. Not in Bhasha Pravesha part 1, but in part 2 we'll learn few other Lakaras as well. And for Bhavishyat Rit Lakara, we have seen the forms, and we have also done some abhyasa on that. And that's all about today's session. So that's all for today. Thank you all for watching this video online. If there are any questions or interact with the teachers or course students, please log into forum.sanskrit.today, or you can even join our Telegram group, which is the link is there in that course page. And subscribe to this channel to watch more videos like this, and share this video with your friends and interested people or group. And make use of the comment section below the video if you have any feedback or suggestions or doubts about this session or the series. And finally, click on the like button, and thank you all for watching this video, and let us meet in the next session. Dhanyavadaha.